Tour America's 18th annual Red Cow Sale Day is taking place on Sunday, September 30th at the Red Cow Moran Hotel in Dublin. Absolutely everything will be on sale on the day. Flights, car hire, hotels, cruises, attractions, and so much more are all on sale. Meet with our key partners for holiday inspiration and then book your next getaway with our team of award-winning travel experts. For more information, visit TourAmerica.ie or call our team on 01 817 3562. We hope to see you there.